Thank God it's Friday, Fashionistas. You're welcome to Eid Fashion. What? Hope you had a rewarding, fulfilling working week, and hope you are in that full mood into the weekend. And this weekend, as you all know, across the world will be the celebration of the Muslims festival after the end of the Ramadan. And in respect to Nigeria and some other African countries and to all our people across the globe, we are making this video to inspire your look during this period of Eid. Today's styles as we are brought to you as they are rolling by on your screen. They are lovely, modest styles that best suit for every woman, regardless of your body type or preference of styles. We know some of you would love to rock abaya, love to rock gorgeous, beautiful boo styles, and so on. And we've made this video an all-encompassing one that will suit the need and aspiration of every fashionistas when you talk of fashion. So the justice you can do to this video is for you to sit back, relax, and get that maximum styles inspiration from this video from the beginning to the end, and most definitely you will be glad you did. We want you to step out on that day looking elegantly gorgeous. We want you to be the signature of wherever you find yourself during this period. We want it to be a festive period that will linger in people's mind for a very long time, and that is what we intended to do with you with this very video. All props and credits in this video goes to those highly creative, highly resourceful fashionistas who took their time to put all this together and avail us the opportunity of showcasing them to the rest of the world. Big up to them. Enjoy this lovely masterpiece. Leave your thoughts below in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up if you find the styles in it interesting, and don't forget to share this video with family and friends for us to evenly spread the trend of African dresses and styles across the world. And if you are new to this platform, that broad spectrum where the best of African fashion are showcased, e-fashion world, please hit on the subscribe button and don't forget to put on your post notification for you to always get notified anytime we drop a video like this on this platform. And give this video a thumbs up if you find the styles in it interesting. My name is BJ, a fashion enthusiast and a promoter of African print designs, and also an ambassador of African fashion. Wishing you a lovely, fun-filled weekend, and I will see you at the end of the video. Thank you.
I don't wanna tie you up now. I don't wanna do the thing. I don't wanna have you, baby. I just wanna have a fling. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Yeah. Tell me what you wanna do. Give me everything you got. I just wanna try to get you in the mood. I just wanna hit your spot. I wanna get low. Wanna get low. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Ooh. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. right. Give me everything that you got to give. Baby, show me the light. Wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now I wanna go downstairs, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Wanna get low, wanna get trouble.
Thank you for watching that lovely video. Hope you enjoy what we've brought to you today. If you do, give this video a thumbs up and help us to share this video with family and friends for us to even spread the trend across the globe. And don't forget to leave your thoughts below in the comment section. My name is BJ. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.